Welcome to English News for Learners. Today is June 4. Today we have 3 stories about eco-friendly travel, traditional craft technology, and rural drone services. Suso Ferry ga Tokyo wan ni tojo. A new ferry has started in Tokyo Bay. It uses hydrogen fuel cells. It is very eco-friendly. The ship produces 0 emissions. This is great for the environment. This ferry can carry 100 passengers. It replaces old diesel engines. It uses clean hydrogen technology instead. This helps reduce carbon dioxide in the busy port. Tokyo aims for carbon neutrality by 2040. This is part of the Green Port Initiative. It began daily services on June 3rd. It will help both commuters and tourists. Next topic. Denton Koge to VR Jijitsu. Kyoto is using new technology for crafts. Artisans are working with tech companies. They created virtual reality experiences. Now people can learn from home. Anyone around the world can join. There are 50 types of crafts available. You can learn pottery and lacquerware. In the past, you needed to visit. Now the digital library is accessible globally. This platform launched on June 2. It helps preserve endangered techniques. It also attracts younger generations to the craft. This project aims to boost tourism. It also helps cultural exports. Moving on to our final story. Drones deliver library books. A town in Nagano has a new service. They use drones to deliver books. This helps elderly residents in rural areas. It is very useful for them. They cannot travel to the library easily. The drone carries 2 kilograms of books. Before, people drove 30 minutes away. Now books come to their homes. The pilot program started on June 3. It improves the quality of life. It provides better access to education. This is part of a government plan. They want to use drones for logistics. This is very helpful for isolated communities. Today we learned about hydrogen ferries, VR crafts, and drone delivery. Great work listening today. Keep practicing your English every single day. See you next time.